When International Mother's Day is being observed across the world today, thousands of Kashmiri women continue waiting for the return of their sons, subjected to enforced disappearances in custody by Indian troops in occupied Kashmir and detained in different jails. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on International Mother's Day today pointed out that continued Indian state terrorism has resulted in the killing of 96,192 Kashmiris, including women and children, from 1989. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, All Parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the fearful atmosphere created by the Indian Forces personnel through night raids on the residences of pro-freedom leaders and activists. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar and APHC AJK leaders Syed Ijaz Rahmani, Mushtaq Ahmed Butt, Sheikh Yaqub, Syed Ashraf and Manzoor Ahmed Shah in their separate statements in Islamabad expressed concern over the raids, urged the United Nations to take notice of the situation in the occupied territory. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, posters again appeared in Srinagar and different areas of the valley, urging people to observe a complete strike on May 22nd against the hosting of G20 meeting by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government in Srinagar. The posters are carrying the pictures of illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders, including Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmed Shah, Mohammad Yasin Malik, Asiya Andrabi, Naeem Ahmed Khan and House-detained senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops have launched a violent cordon and search operation in South Kashmir's Islamabad district. On the other hand, Indian troops continue their violent cordon and search operation on the second consecutive day today in the Uri area of Baramulla district. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has congratulated the people of Karnataka, India, for rejecting those who want to divide the people on religious lines. Farooq Abdullah, in a statement issued in Srinagar, congratulated the people of Karnataka for rejecting those who want to divide people on religious lines, who used to threaten that if they vote for anyone else, then everything will be stopped.